Hello students, now we shall look at the temperature enthalpy diagram when we are when we are heating water and converting to steam, or if you start, you can even start from ice. I have got already 2-3 videos you can watch on this formation of steam. You will understand, but in briefly I am telling here. You can see the y-axis is temperature and x-axis is enthalpy, that is the heat content. You can see when I'm heating ice, so from 1 to 2, let us say ice is at minus 10 degrees centigrade and I'm heating the ice, then what happens? There is sensible heating. Sensible heating means you can measure the increase in temperature. So from minus 10 it will go to minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0. So at point 2, whatever you are saying here, it comes to 0. And at that temperature, when you are still heating, then the temperature will not come to 1, 2, 3 immediately, positive side. It will be still 0 only. And the temperature, heat, whatever is given, you can see the enthalpy is increasing. X-axis 2 to 3 is horizontal line. Temperature is not increasing, but the enthalpy is increasing. And you come to a point 3. So here from 2 it was pure ice at 0 degree centigrade, but at 3 it has become water. It has all the ice has been converted into water, and it has become water at 0 degree centigrade. So that process you can see is shown as melting here. 2 to 3 is shown as melting. And then now water is at 0 degree centigrade. When we start heating the water at 3, it goes up to F, you can see. So there is a rise in temperature as well as there is increase in enthalpy. So this is again known as sensible heating of water, 3 to F, because we are able to sense the rise in temperature. Okay, and the water will say based on the, let us consider at 1 atmospheric pressure. So water will boil at around 100 degrees centigrade. So from 3 to F, the F is a fluid, means it is saturated water. It is completely saturated water, F, at 100 degrees centigrade. For that particular saturation pressure, please understand as students of mechanical engineering, when we talk of boiling point or saturation temperature is related to certain pressure. So it is a function of pressure. Pressure increases, the boiling point increases. Pressure decreases, the boiling point of the liquid decreases. Okay. Now at F, it is saturated water, means saturated means if I add any amount of heat further in this uh, water, when it is in saturated condition, there is a change in phase. So you can see from F to G, there is a vaporization is taking place, and there is a phase change from liquid to vapor. And now all the uh, you can see in the x-axis the enthalpy is increasing. F to G enthalpy is increasing, but the temperature is not increasing. This is known as latent heat of evaporation. Latent heat means it is like chupa istam. You are not able to make out, but there is a increase in enthalpy, and thus the liquid is converted into vapor. And at G it becomes saturated vapor. At G it becomes saturated vapor, means all the liquid has been converted into vapor. So there is no more liquid there. It is pure vapor now, and that is known as saturated vapor. Okay, again why it is called saturated means if add some more heat to it, or you remove the heat from it, then there is a phase change. So saturated vapor means if I add heat again, then it becomes superheated. It becomes superheated steam. If I remove heat from the saturated vapor means it starts getting converted to liquid. So there is a phase change again. Okay. So this is the line, the two line horizontal lines 2 to 3 and F to G are horizontal lines, are they represent the latent heat of melting of the ice as well as latent heat of evaporation of water to steam. You can go through my earlier videos on this so that you'll understand in a better way. Now we'll discuss two important points, that is known as critical point and uh, triple point of water. So you can see this is a Mollier diagram, extract of a Mollier diagram. Again, this is enthalpy entropy diagram here. Y-axis is enthalpy and x-axis is entropy. You can see the line to the left, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means this is saturated liquid line. Okay, you can see the bell shaped curve. X is equal to 0 means the uh, x is equal to 0 means it is a you can see this line. This line x is equal to 0 is saturated liquid line. Okay, uh, and here the x is equal to 1, so this is all saturated vapor line, and both the points are meeting at a point called as Cp, and this point is known as critical point. This point is known as critical point. So x stands for the dryness fraction. So dryness fraction means 0 means the there is no steam here in this line, there is no steam. Okay, it's only fully water, that is why it is called as saturated water. And this line whatever you are seeing, you can see it is a 100% steam, that is dry saturated steam. So this is about critical point. Uh, we shall discuss about this. Now for water, what are the properties at critical point? So the pressure is 220 bar. You can say 221 bar pressure. Temperature is 374 degrees centigrade. Okay. And the specific volume is 0.003155 meter cube per kg. The enthalpy is 2099, or you can say 2100 kilojoules per kg, and the entropy is 4.4297 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Okay. So what is critical point? Critical point is that state beyond which it is difficult to distinguish between liquid and vapor phases. It can be also defined as that state in which liquid can be converted to vapor completely without any heat transfer, or it can be defined as that state in which the liquid vapor saturation line suddenly terminates. Okay, so you can't distinguish at a critical point, you can't distinguish between liquid and vapor phases. Okay, and here without any substantial heat transfer, the liquid gets converted into vapor, and the liquid vapor saturation line completely terminates. For water, that you can see it is 221 bar and 374 Kelvin, sorry, degree centigrade. You can see here again, I will show that. You can come back to this. This is a critical point. So this is a critical point, you can see here.